Welcome back to Life Well Lived, your go-to channel for evidence-based information on health and wellness. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: the incredible health benefits and qualities of magnesium. Get ready to uncover the science-backed reasons why magnesium should be a part of your daily life. Magnesium is not just a mere supplement, it's an essential mineral that plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. From supporting our nervous system to promoting healthy muscle function and maintaining strong bones, magnesium is truly a powerhouse of well-being. In this video, we'll dive deep into the scientific studies that shed light on the remarkable benefits of magnesium. We'll explore its impact on heart health, stress management, sleep quality, and even mood regulation. Prepare to discover how magnesium can improve your overall well-being in ways you never thought possible. But knowledge alone is not enough, it's all about practical application. That's why we'll also share effective ways to incorporate magnesium into your daily routine. From dietary sources to supplementation and even topical applications, we'll explore a variety of methods to ensure you're getting the right amount of magnesium to support your well-being goals. Throughout this video, we'll be referencing scientific studies and research to provide you with evidence-backed insights. You can trust that the information we present is grounded in reliable data, allowing you to make informed decisions about your health. So, get ready to embrace the power of magnesium and take your well-being to new heights. With its vast array of benefits, this remarkable mineral has the potential to transform your life in ways you never imagined. Stay tuned as we journey through the science, the benefits, and the practical applications of magnesium. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and pave the way to a healthier, more vibrant life. Welcome to Life Well Lived, where we bridge the gap between scientific research and practical wisdom. Together, let's unlock the secrets of magnesium and embark on a journey towards optimal health and well-being. Let's dive in. Welcome to our journey of discovering the remarkable health benefits and qualities of magnesium. In this video, we will explore the various ways to incorporate magnesium into your daily life and uncover its immense potential for enhancing your well-being. Get ready to dive deep into the world of magnesium and uncover the secrets to living a healthier, more vibrant life. Magnesium is not just another mineral, it is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions. From supporting cardiovascular health to promoting proper nerve function and maintaining strong bones, magnesium is truly a powerhouse mineral. Scientific studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can have a positive impact on various health conditions, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, improving sleep quality, and alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. Magnesium comes in various forms, each with its own unique qualities and benefits. Let's explore some popular forms of magnesium and how they can be incorporated into your daily routine. From magnesium citrate, known for its high bioavailability and digestive support, to magnesium glycinate, favored for its calming effects on the nervous system, there is a form of magnesium that suits everyone's needs. We will also discuss magnesium-rich foods and how you can naturally increase your magnesium intake through diet. Now that we understand the incredible benefits of magnesium, let's explore practical ways to incorporate it into our daily lives. We'll delve into magnesium supplementation options, including recommended dosages and potential interactions with other medications. Additionally, we'll explore topical applications of magnesium, such as magnesium oil or bath salts, which can provide targeted relief from muscle tension and promote relaxation. Magnesium isn't just a supplement, it can be seamlessly integrated into your everyday life. We'll uncover creative ways to infuse magnesium into your daily routines, such as preparing delicious magnesium-rich recipes that nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. We'll also explore DIY magnesium body care products, like homemade magnesium lotion or body scrubs, which offer a luxurious and rejuvenating self-care experience. Incorporating magnesium into your daily life is not limited to supplements alone. There are numerous creative and enjoyable ways to ensure you're getting an adequate dose of this essential mineral. Let's explore some examples and insights on how to incorporate magnesium into your daily routine. Start your day with a nutritious and magnesium-packed breakfast by preparing a delicious spinach and avocado omelette. Spinach is not only a great source of magnesium but also rich in other essential nutrients. For a refreshing and hydrating beverage, whip up a homemade magnesium-rich smoothie using ingredients like banana, almond milk, cacao powder, and a sprinkle of magnesium-rich seeds like chia or pumpkin seeds. Treat yourself to a relaxing magnesium-infused bath by adding Epsom salts to warm water. Epsom salts are rich in magnesium and can help relax muscles, promote better sleep, and alleviate stress. Create your own magnesium body lotion using natural ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and magnesium oil. This DIY lotion can be applied topically to nourish your skin while providing the benefits of magnesium. Explore the soothing effects of magnesium by incorporating it into your bedtime routine. Spray magnesium oil onto your legs and gently massage it in before sleep. This can promote muscle relaxation and improve sleep quality. Consider using a magnesium-based aromatherapy spray or diffuser blend to create a calming environment. The combination of magnesium and essential oils can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and enhance overall well-being. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or incorporating new supplements or products. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and health conditions. By exploring these various ways to incorporate magnesium into your daily life, you'll not only benefit from its incredible health properties but also add a touch of creativity and self-care to your routine. Experiment, have fun, and discover the joy of embracing magnesium as a valuable asset in your quest for a healthier and more balanced life. Magnesium truly offers a world of possibilities when it comes to incorporating it into your daily life. From tantalizing recipes to nourishing body care products and relaxation techniques, there's a wealth of options to explore. By embracing these creative avenues, you're not only reaping the benefits of magnesium but also enhancing your overall well-being. One of the remarkable qualities of magnesium is its ability to promote relaxation and a sense of calm. We'll explore relaxation techniques that harness the power of magnesium, including magnesium-infused aromatherapy, soothing magnesium foot soaks, and mindfulness exercises to help you unwind and find inner peace. Discover the transformative effects of magnesium on your mind, body, and soul. Our voyage through the captivating realm of magnesium comes to a close, but the journey doesn't end here. By understanding the profound health benefits and practical applications of magnesium, we have unlocked a world of possibilities for enhancing our well-being. Remember, incorporating magnesium into your daily life can make a significant difference in your overall health and vitality. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of magnesium. We hope this video has inspired you to harness the power of magnesium and optimize your health. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Life Well Lived, for more empowering content that guides you towards a life of balance and well-being. Embrace the transformative benefits of magnesium and embark on a journey to unlock your full potential. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay healthy, and embrace the wonders of magnesium. By understanding the profound health benefits and practical applications of magnesium, we have unlocked a world of possibilities for enhancing our well-being. From supporting cardiovascular health to promoting relaxation and maintaining optimal bodily functions, magnesium truly deserves its title as a remarkable mineral. Throughout this video, we have explored the various forms of magnesium, delved into the scientific studies that support its benefits, and discussed practical ways to incorporate it into our daily lives. Whether through supplementation, magnesium-rich foods, or DIY body care products, there are endless opportunities to experience the power of magnesium firsthand. Remember, before making any significant changes to your diet or starting any new supplementation regimen, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your individual needs and health conditions. So, let us embark on this magnesium-rich journey together, harnessing its potential to optimize our well-being and live life to the fullest. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of magnesium. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others who may benefit from this valuable information. Together, let's spread the knowledge and empower more people on their journey to optimal health and well-being. Embrace the wonders of magnesium and unlock your full potential. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay healthy, and may the power of magnesium enrich your life in ways you never imagined.